Hello, my name's Charlotte from Honda Bolton, and today I'll be taking you around this used vehicle.
Say hello to our latest hybrid edition in stock. This vibrant red KIA Stonic GT-Line is a fantastic eco-friendly alternative with a 48-volt hybrid engine for an efficient drive, saving fuel and increasing power. As it is a 2022 edition, it does come with 15,541 miles covered, along with an automatic transmission and stunning GT-Line body kit. Top features of this vehicle do include your very stunning LED bifunction projection headlights, alongside your 17-inch GT alloys and of course your stylish roof rails. You do also have a parking sensors along with a spacious boot area, ideal for all your day-to-day items, with an extra storage pocket just below to keep any spare tools. Moving into your rear interior, it is a very luxurious part leather finish, emphasising that modernised edge. Once inside your front interior, you will find your multifunctional leather steering wheel, which does sit alongside your central touch display screen for passenger and driver convenience. Again, your two front seats do come with a part leather finish. And to seamlessly control your vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls, which does even include your cruise control and speed limiter functions to assist on any trip. You can also use your controls on there to navigate around your cockpit screen, so you do have all your vital car information on there, including all your driver assistant options. You do even have your service intervals to ensure the vehicle does stay in a top check. And like stated previously, you do have your cruise control and speed limiter functions, which will be displayed just to your top there. And for that personalised touch, you do even have an array of driving modes, including your sport and your eco. Moving across into your central touch display, this vehicle does come fully equipped with your built-in navigation system. With your traffic updates and points of interest, you are sure to never get lost in those unfamiliar areas. And to keep you and your passengers fully entertained, especially on those longer trips, you do have plenty of radio stations to listen to, so it does work off your DAB/FM. Of course, you do have your Bluetooth connection as well to listen to your own preferred audio or make hands-free safe phone calls. You can quickly gain access to all your vital car apps as well, so it is compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And once you pop the car into reverse, it will bring up an on-screen display of your rear view camera, so plenty of help getting in those tighter spots. Following this, you do have your central climate dials, including your front and rear heated windscreen, followed by several power outlets. You do have your drive mode selector there as well, along with your two handy cup holders and plenty of storage.
For further information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01204 827 906 or inquire online now.